Hi, let's get started with how to install OpenCode Desktop and how to connect local LM with LM Studio in Mac. So you can use OpenCode for agentic workflow and automatic coding. Let's first download the OpenCode Desktop. Go to OpenCode website, and in the download page you can see your version of OpenCode installer. Currently I am using macOS, so I will go for this particular. Once you download it, you will find it in the Finder, and you have to install it. Double click on the downloaded format and move it to applications. Once you move it, you can see that in your applications. I have installed it already, so I am able to see the OpenCode right now. Okay, let's go and check LM Studio and set up the LM Studio before we connect LLM models to OpenCode. Okay, open the LM Studio. Okay, here is what you see in the LM Studio. If you haven't seen how to install LM Studio and use LLMs locally, you can check my previous video. Okay, in the developer tabs, in the left top corner you can see developer option. Go there, start this server, local server. Once you start it, you can see this URL, copy it and click on the load model. I am going to choose Ministral 3B, which is 3GB only. Okay, context length I will be going to increase to 24K, and then I will start to load model. Currently it is loading, and now it is loaded. Go to chat, select the loaded model and start new chat here, and I will text it with just hi. Let's see if it is working. Yes, it is working with 45 tokens per second. That is more than enough for us. I will delete this chat history, we don't need it. Let's minimize the LM Studio and go to OpenCode. Now we have to go to settings. In the providers, we have to scroll down. In the popular providers, you can see custom provider, okay, where you can connect to the local LLMs using LM Studio. Close this. Now we have copied the base URL from the LM Studio, right? We will paste it in the base URL. We will add /v1, and then we will name our LM Studio as LM Studio. Why not? Displays name should be LM Studio. It's totally fine. Whatever you will give, it's fine. Now we have to give the model ID. Where you can get that? In the LM Studio, go to LM Studio. In the LM Studio, go to the developer option. Here we have loaded this Ministral 3B, right? You just have to click on the copy icon. Once you clicked it, go back to the configuration page, paste it right here, paste, and you need to rename it. Let's Mincy. I will drop the name as Mincy. Okay, Mincy 3B. Mincy 3B. That's fine. Okay, you can add more models as well if you want to, but I will go with one model only. Okay, submit it. Okay, now I have submitted. Once you do that, you can click on open project. Okay, I have already created one folder. Okay, I have done it. Let's start a new session. Start with the slash. Okay, you can see here, you can select the model. Only one model is here, that's why it is auto selected. Means that we renamed it to slash. Start with the init command, where Open Studio start with creating agents.md file. Let's get to it. Now we have sent the prompt to LLM. If you want to see the progress, you can go to LM Studio and see it happening in live here. Yeah, here it is processing the prompt 23%, and it is working on prompt processing only. Now once it is done, it will provide the response as well. Once it is done, you will get the response as here, and OpenCode will create agents.md file. So we have successfully connected our LM Studio local model into our OpenCode, where it is updating and creating files. Now look at this, it is updating files, right? Okay, let's say, can you create animated page where balls are getting dropped from the above, and let's say it should look and appear as physics. Create only one index file, okay, index HTML file. So it will compile every bit of dependencies inside the index.html instead of making multiple files. So we can run it and test it. It's just for starting from. We can later go ahead and create multi-layered setup like MVC and stuff like that, where you can connect Node.js service with the React.js server as well. Okay, I will just wait here and pause the video. Okay, I think it is already working on it. Damn, it already worked through all of it. Maybe because of the small model it is not that accurate, but definitely it is worth it. No issues there. We will open the folder. Let's open it. I'm going to YouTube video and open this folder. Okay, this is the index.html file. Click here, open with live server. Let's see what it has done. Okay, it has created a simple ball wrapping HTML file. Not bad for a simple prompt like that, and with the only 4 GB of memory. That's crazy. 3 GB of memory. That is crazy. Thank you for watching, and next time.